lecture, we are going to discuss one of the most important and fundamental concept in chemistry, that is oxidation and reduction. What is oxidation and reduction? Actually, this oxidation and reduction are defined in different ways. In the olden days, they are defined with respect to the hydrogen and oxygen are more electronegative and more electropositive element. Okay, but in the modern approach, we are discussing oxidation and reduction with respect to electrons. Okay, so that is the electronic concept. Okay, so now let us start with the classical idea. After that, we discuss the electronic concept. Okay, so here, according to classical idea, oxidation is defined as addition of oxygen to an element or compound. Okay, addition of oxygen to an element or compound, or removal of hydrogen from a compound. Okay, we can add oxygen to an element or compound, that is called oxidation, or removal of hydrogen from a compound is also called as oxidation. Let us discuss with an example. Suppose we have magnesium. For this, if we add oxygen, we get magnesium oxide. Okay, magnesium oxide. See, for this element we have added oxygen. Okay, so that's why it is oxidation. And another example we can take, suppose we have H2S. For this we have added oxygen, so we get okay, so here we have, see, for this compound we have added oxygen. For element we have added oxygen, that is also oxidation. For a compound we have added oxygen, that is also oxidation. Okay, so here in this way oxidation is defined as addition of oxygen to an element like this, or to a compound like this, or removal of hydrogen from a compound. See here, hydrogen sulfide, when reacted with oxygen we are getting H2O and sulfur. Okay, from sulfur hydrogen is removed. So no, from this one hydrogen is removed and that is carried along with the oxygen as water molecule, and we are getting sulfur. Okay, next, how reduction is defined? Addition of hydrogen to an element or compound. Okay, addition of hydrogen to an element or compound, or removal of oxygen from a compound. See, reverse to this one here, addition of oxygen is called oxidation, addition of hydrogen is called as reduction. Removal of hydrogen is called as oxidation, removal of oxygen is called as reduction. Okay, let us discuss with example. Suppose we have ethene. For this we are adding hydrogen, so we get ethane. Okay, so here we have added hydrogen to this molecule, so that's why this is reduction. And suppose, let us take HGO. Okay, when we heat this HGO, mercuric oxide, we get so if you take 2 moles, we get like this. Okay, so here see, oxygen is removed from this molecule. Yes or no? From this compound, oxygen is removed, so that's why it is reduction. Okay, so addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen is called as reduction. Clear? So very simple. Now let us see the second one. See, addition of a more electronegative element or removal of a electropositive element is called as oxidation. Okay, so addition of more electronegative element or removal of a electropositive element is considered as oxidation. Okay, see here, magnesium plus F2 gives MgF2. For magnesium, here we have added a more electronegative fluorine, so that's why it is considered as oxidation. Okay, Next here, see in this reaction, K4FeCN6, potassium ferrocyanide. For this one, when you add H2O2, we are getting potassium ferricyanide, K3FeCN6 plus 2KOH. See here we have 4 potassium, here we have 3 potassium. Okay, so actually here oxidation state of iron is +2 and here it is +3. Okay, so now here we have 4 potassiums in this compound, but here only we have 3 potassium. Means potassium is, we know that is a more electropositive element. So from this compound we have removed more electropositive potassium. So that's why it is oxidation. Okay, so what is oxidation with respect to addition of electropositive and electronegative element, addition of more electronegative element like this, or removal of electropositive element like this. Okay, now reduction, addition of a electropositive element or removal of a more electronegative element. Okay, addition of a electropositive element or removal of a more electronegative element, exactly reverse to this one. Okay, here addition of electronegative element, here removal of electronegative element. Here removal of electropositive is oxidation, addition of electropositive is reduction. Simple. Okay, if you understand this one, this is the exactly reverse to this. See here, ferric chloride plus H2S, we are getting ferrous chloride plus HCl plus sulfur. See here we have 3 chlorines, but here we have only 2 chlorines, means we have removed one. See, this chlorine is more electronegative than iron, so that's why here this is considered as reduction. Okay, so removal of an electronegative element, 3 chlorines, here only 2 chlorines. Or see this, SiCl4 plus Na gives silicon plus NaCl. See here, from this compound, okay, for this compound we have added sodium, yes or no? For here this compound we have added sodium, that is more electropositive element, so that's why it is a reduction. Okay, addition of electropositive element, here sodium is added to this, we are getting NaCl. Okay, and here removal of electronegative, from here chlorine is removed, so that's why it is reduction. Okay, very simple. More electronegative element addition is oxidation, removal is reduction. More electropositive removal is oxidation. See here, this concept is not applicable for all the types of reactions. Best example is, suppose we have okay, see if you consider this reaction here, we have added hydrogen to sodium, so this should be reduction. So according to this concept, addition of hydrogen, this should be reduction, but actually here sodium is undergoing oxidation. Okay, sodium is undergoing oxidation in this reaction, so that's why here this definition is failed. Okay, means this concept is not applicable for all the types of reactions, so that's why the electronic concept is introduced, which is applicable for all the reactions. Okay, that we discuss now. Now let us discuss the electronic concept of oxidation and reduction, which is applicable to all the reactions. Okay, so now here first let us see the oxidation. Oxidation is the loss of electrons. Okay, according to this concept, oxidation is the loss of electrons. Okay, loss of electrons by an atom or ion or molecule. Okay, let us see here with example. See, from magnesium to magnesium +2 means here +2 means 2 electrons are removed from the magnesium. So no. So that's why this is oxidation. Okay, oxidation is the loss of electrons by an atom. Magnesium lost 2 electrons, so that's why it is undergoing oxidation. Or let us take another example. Suppose we have Fe +2 to Fe plus 3 plus 1 electron. Okay, so from Fe plus 2 ion, ferrous ion, if we remove 1 electron, we get ferric ion. Okay, Fe plus 2 ferrous, Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3 is a ferric. Okay, or so here manganate, this is MnO4 minus 2 is manganate. MnO4 minus permanganate. See here, if you consider the oxidation state of manganese here plus 6, here it is plus 7. In the manganate plus 6, in the permanganate oxidation state of manganese is plus 7. Okay, see here this oxidation involves increase in oxidation state. Okay, it involves increase in oxidation state. See here, manganese oxidation state increased from plus 6 to plus 7. Here plus 2 to plus 3. See in the elemental form 0 to plus 2. Already we discussed what are the rules to assign the oxidation state in the previous lectures. Okay, so here 0 to plus 2 means oxidation state is increased. So that's why they are undergoing oxidation. Okay, and it is also known as de-electronation. Yes or no? Electrons are removed, so that's why it is also called as de-electronation. For example, if you take one more example, SO2 plus O2, we get SO3. Okay, see here, oxygen is added. Here oxidation state of sulfur is plus 4, here it is plus 6. See here, oxidation state of sulfur is increased, so that's why it is undergoing oxidation. Okay, so oxidation is the loss of electrons by an atom or an ion or a molecule also. Okay, clear? So this is about the oxidation according to this concept. Now let us see the reduction. Exactly reverse to this one. Reduction is the gain of electrons. Okay, reduction is gain of electrons by an atom or ion or a molecule. Okay, it involves the decrease in oxidation state. Okay, in oxidation process, what is happening? Oxidation state of one element is increasing. In the reduction process, what is happening? The oxidation state of an element which is undergoing reduction decreases. Okay, very important. This is also known as electronation. Okay, let us see the examples. Suppose we have Cl2 plus 2 electrons are added, we get 2 Cl minus. Okay, so for this here we have added 2 electrons. See, oxidation state of chlorine is 0, but here minus 1. Means what is happening? 0 to minus 1 means oxidation state decreased. So that's why it is reduction. Okay, in the reduction what is happening? Electrons are added. Okay, and then oxidation state of that species which is gaining the electrons decreases. Okay, we can consider another example also. Okay, see here mercury, for this mercuric ion we are adding electrons, so we are getting mercurous ion here. Oxidation state of mercury is plus 1. Okay, Hg2 2 plus. Okay, each mercury carries plus 1 oxidation state. Here what is the oxidation state? Plus 2. Okay, clear? So addition of electrons is considered as reduction. Okay, removal of electrons is considered as oxidation. Okay, so this is about the electronic concept of oxidation and reduction. This is applicable for every reaction and very important. Okay, to understand the next concepts, okay, that is we are going to discuss what is oxidizing agent, reducing agent, and the redox reactions we are going to discuss. Okay, for all of them these are very important. Okay, thank you, and please subscribe to our channel to support our efforts.